I've been using GPT as a substitute for both my lecturer and academic tutor for the past few months. But I'm starting to feel like paying a robot $20 per month to be my school friend is not good for my mental health or pockets. So in this video, we're going to get another robot to take that role because that one is free. Google Gemini is a large language model built by the DeepMind team at Google.
AI!
Just like ChatGPT, it allows you to generate videos and images, gaslight yourself into thinking that you're smart, and of course, help you cheat on your exams. I've mostly been ignoring it because I like GPT, but Google says it's free now if you're a student. So we are going to check it out. GPT
was never my friend.
To use Gemini Pro for free, you simply go to gemini.google/students. In here, you'll see all the features it has to offer. We don't really care about most of these, but they are nice add-ons. Just click on verify and enter your details to confirm that you're a student. This is standard, nothing to worry about. Next, you'll need to log in to your student email and give Google access to your username, email, and profile picture. Again, this is standard, but if you're security or privacy conscious, read this one here carefully before accepting. Personally, I don't have a choice. Besides, Google already knows way too much about me. Once you've verified that you're a student, you'll get this email. Just click on Get Pro to complete the setup. This is going to be a 12-month free trial starting today. So once you're subscribed, I recommend you open your calendar app and set a reminder for yesterday so that you'll be able to, you know what I mean. I primarily use these modules to study, so let's try that. The first thing I do is grab a pen and paper, then open a problem from class. I attempt the problem to the best of my ability with as much detail as possible. If I get stuck, I convert everything into an image and then ask the model for help. That way, it acts as my tutor. When I reach the final answer, I also take everything, show it to the model, and ask it to grade my work. That way, it acts as my lecturer. Ideally, you still need to confirm the solution with your actual lecturer, but for the most part, Gemini gets the answers right. Another thing I do is ask for workout tips and advice so that I can become the computer science giga chat. I also use it to critique my thumbnails so that I can improve my designs. There's a lot of features to explore on Gemini, like the live speak feature for those who need a friend or therapy, and the camera preview if you want to show the AI your face or your room. Which features you use will most likely depend on who you are, so let me know what you use Gemini for in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.